It's bedtime. You ready to pick a story? What story you want? Bear Snores On. Come on. Let's get into bed. You got Marlon? All right. Scoot over so I can fit.
What about Milky? I want my milk.
All right. Are you going to help me turn the pages? Here we go. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the cold long winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Change the page. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark.
It's a fire.
It is a fire. Fires are hot.
And if you touch fire, it's gonna burn you.
That's right. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear, what's the bear do?
Snore on.
He snores on. Change the page. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear, what's the bear do? Snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear, what's the bear do?
Snores on.
The bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter. But the bear, what's the bear do?
He wakes up.
Not yet. The bear snores on. Not done. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. Now, Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair, bless you, and you've all had had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on.
Ew.
Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Change the page. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end.
But his friends snore on.
Very good. Can you say good night?
Good night.
I love you.
I love you.